In today's video, I will walk you through how to view market movers on Gate. Want to quickly discover which cryptocurrencies are making the biggest moves in the market? Gate makes it easy to track the top gainers, top losers, and the most actively traded coins, helping you spot potential trading opportunities in just a few taps. Let's get started. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Markets section. This is where you'll find a complete overview of the cryptocurrencies listed on Gate. Inside the Markets page, look for the Market Movers, Gainers, Losers, or Hot Coins section. Tap on the section you'd like to explore. You'll now see a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by their recent performance. For each coin, Gate typically displays the current price, the percentage change over a selected time period, the trading volume, and other useful market data. If you're looking for coins with strong upward momentum, check out the Gainers list. These are the cryptocurrencies that have increased the most in price over the selected time frame. If you're searching for potential buying opportunities after a price drop, you can browse the Losers list to see which assets have experienced the largest declines. Checking the Market Movers section regularly is a great way to stay informed about market trends and identify cryptocurrencies that are experiencing significant price activity. And that's how you view market movers on Gate.com.